Uy!
What? Yeah.
I have a what's this? D-Link. This is a gigabit switch, 16 port. So this is already busted. I don't know what's the problem, and I'm gonna check this. I will open this cover here, and let's see what we got. Okay, so this is expensive. This is not cheap. This is not working last week. So yeah, I will gonna check this. Okay, first we will remove this cover. Okay, see it there. Alright. Okay guys. So let's open this bad boy, okay? How to, is there another screws? Here, this is the fan screw. So no need to remove that one. So here guys, 1, 2 and 3. So we're gonna remove this. No more warranty. This is a 4-year-old switch. Okay, so crush that warranty sticker. We don't need you. 1, 2, 3. It's already removed. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screws. Okay. So let's remove this. Okay. Got it. So I'm going to push this. So check this out. It's okay. It's not busted. Also here, it's not busted. It's not busted. I mean, the capacitor is still okay. What's this? I don't know what's that. So I think there's no damage. So I will gonna clean this. I will gonna use a fan, the small one. I'm gonna take off the dust, and yeah. Why I'm facing here? I'm facing the camera, not. Okay, guys. I'm wearing what you call this? It's like to cover your nose and your mouth because I'm allergic to dust. Hey, what the hell is? What? Okay. So we're gonna use this blower. Can you hear my voice? 1 2 1 2 1 2. So okay, I will gonna plug this first. This bad here. Okay. Let's try. Good. Let's blow the dust. So it's done already. I already just use my small blower, and I didn't see any capacitor is busted. They are all good. So I don't really know what's the problem. I will gonna try this later, okay? Look, it's all good. I will gonna try this now, okay? Okay. So guys, I'm gonna try to connect all my network cables going here, okay? So I'm gonna use another cable so that this will have internet connection. So I'm gonna put this on one more. Like that, okay? So gonna connect and going to the modem router, okay? So I'm gonna remove this and connect this one over here, okay? Good. So let's plug this. Let's see what happens. There's a light.
Dad,
Yeah.
look at first, Dad.
What?
Something wrong.
Something wrong again?
Something wrong. Look at the internet again.
Okay, wait. I have to check this first. Look. So it's like there's LED indicator there. So I plug this and this is the indicator. So I think it's okay, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we will check, okay, if we have internet connection in our room, right, Gab?
Yes.
Because there's LED indicator that means it is connected to this modem and share the other connection on the network here in the house. So I think, look, Gab, you check if there's internet in the room.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Internet connection already, Gab?
Yeah.
Huh? Let me see. You try to choose a YouTube video there.
I like to watch.
Hurry! We just want to test. Oh yeah, there's internet connection. You, babe. So it's all good, Gab. So again, guys, I will try to connect this other network cable. This is connected to my parents' room. They have one desktop there, and this is their cable. So I'm gonna connect this on my switch hub. So I will just test this switch hub if I can use multiple connections using this one, okay? Because as of now, it's only one connection in our room, and this is from our modem. So this is another connection in other room at my parents' room, okay? So we're gonna try to connect this one if it works, okay? Okay, try. Okay, already connected the other one. So there are 3 LED lights are flashing, okay? So it means it's connected to my router, which is this one from our ISP. This is connected to our room, and this one is connected to the other room. So they are all okay. What the hell is the problem with this switch hub? Maybe it just need to restart, because this switch hub is 24/7 always on. For how many months? I mean, yeah, it's almost 6 months, I think. So I think it's really need to restart this device. At least you turn it off for 1 day and then use it again. Okay, I'm gonna observe this for a few weeks, and then yeah, let's see if this is really fixed. Okay, be right back.